Hello and welcome to HubTech Talks. This podcast is brought to you by HubTech Web Team. This show covers the latest global digital marketing and e-commerce insights from a certified experts. Are you looking for opportunities to sharpen their skills? HubTech Talk have the route. Let's accomplish together.
Hey guys, we all have wondered what digital marketing is and how can we tame this beast. Today I'll be giving you 7 basic success keys to digital marketing. I am your host Yas from HubTech Web. Let's get started. Digital marketing is a form of marketing that exists online through the internet and electronic devices with the help of channels such as social media, mobile applications, email, web applications, search engines, and websites. In simple words, it is the way to reach out to a more targeted audience or customers through the internet. So before moving forward to the process of digital marketing, let's quickly go through the difference between online digital marketing and offline digital marketing. Radio commercials, TV commercials, electronic billboards, teleshopping, cold calling, text message marketing, show sponsoring are the mediums of offline digital marketing, while search engine optimization, search engine marketing, social media marketing, pay-per-click advertising, affiliate marketing, and email marketing are the mediums of online digital marketing. Now let's discuss all these steps one by one. First, digital presence. The online presence of the business is the digital presence, right? Yes, we all know that. But let's understand it with the help of Harry's example. Harry is the owner of jewelry shop. He's very famous in his city. His business is also going well, but he wants to sell his jewelry products online. So what he can do is he can create a social media accounts over several social media platforms and start posting photos of his products. By doing this, he can create a digital presence for his customer through social media marketing. There are many ways to do this, like by developing his own e-commerce shop, by developing his own website, by register his shop on Google My Business. So now again question is, how can he attract more new customer through digital marketing? And the answer is by targeting the right audience. I am repeating, by targeting the right audience. And it is the second step of digital marketing process. What is the target audience? Basically, your potential customer and the group of people to whom you are addressing for your products or the services. It can be differentiated by some attributes such as gender, age, income, education, or localization. Again, let's understand it with this same example. Harry is the owner of a jewelry shop. So by default, his primary targeted focus should be female of age between 20 to 40. It is also right that male also used to buy jewelry, but that's why I mentioned the primary word. Now, if he wants to reach out his product to wider audience, what he can do is he can start social media campaigns by setting up the interest, age, and gender filters. So according to your budget of campaign, your post should be reaching out to more and more people, and at least they will start following your social media handles. The same way you can do with your website and e-commerce shop by running the ads on search engines. Now they are following your business digitally. But if you are not posting daily updates, how they will get attracted to purchase your products or services? For that, you have to keep them engaged with your business, and that is the process number 3. Third, engagement. For the better engagement, you have to be active on digital platforms, and there are many ideas of posting. Either it is your social media accounts or your websites. You can design good graphics for it. You can create your own unique hashtag or a tagline. Also, you can show your business environment. You can share your customers' positive feedback. There are many ways. You can run several giveaways and contests for your daily customers. After you start these activities, analysis will play a major role. And it's our fourth process, analysis. You have to keep records of everything. Your sales, customers' feedback, your social media reports, orders inquiry, each and everything. Very well said by American investor David Inhorn. The loss was not bad luck, it was a bad analysis. So now your next step is remarketing through your analysis. Number 5, remarketing. Remarketing is the tactic of serving targeted ads to people who have already visited your website or taken action on your website. In terms of technical execution, remarketing is the process of using a JavaScript tag to place a cookie in user's browser. The cookie then informs a remarketing platform to serve a specific display ads through an ad exchange based on the product the user has searched for. It can be used to achieve a certain conversion goal, such as a lead generation for e-commerce or a website. Now let's understand this with the help of example. If Zoya visited Harry's website or e-commerce platform, but she left the site without purchasing anything, then it is possible to convert her as a customer by remarketing process. So here is the last and most important process of digital marketing called conversion. Number 6. Conversion. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, the word conversion is defined as a process of a changing or a causing something to change from one form to another one. Same way, in the digital marketing world, it is the process to change your visitors to your customers. So it was the 6 steps of digital marketing. Digital marketing is all about people, not about your business. Provide for the people, and the people will provide whatever you want. Thank you guys for participating and engaging mentally in this episode. Now it's your time to take some actions. Apply these insights to your business and make a difference for people. We will be back soon with some more amazing marketing insights. So make sure to leave a like and tell us in comment section what topic you want us to cover next. Till then, take care and stay tuned with HubTech Talks.